What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to share with you my 14th dividend payment with Armour Residential Reit, ticker symbol ARR. This is a monthly dividend paying stock. Super excited about my 14th payment, and the good news is the payments have gotten more and more over time. The bad news is my overall return is down. As a matter of fact, this is the most that I'm down on an individual stock currently in my portfolio, but it's all good. I'm going to share all that with you guys in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so once again, I never pretend to be a guru, not a pro, nothing like that, just an average guy. And I've learned some things through my bumps and bruises. And I decided to make a channel and show you guys what's possible in regards to investing in the stock market while showing you my journey. Okay, so right here on the screen, I have currently my portfolio pulled up on Robinhood. As you can see, as of the making of this video, my portfolio is valued at $301,858.49 now. It just changed. And so for today, right now, because this is live, I'm currently down negative $462. But just to kind of give you guys some perspective on this one day alone, for me, pre-market is 8 o'clock because I'm in Houston. So pre-market, my account was valued at $301,277. And then as you guys can see here at the very bottom, at 12:10, my account was valued at $297,000. I was down almost $5,000. I was down $4,910. And then right now, my account is valued at $301,000. So all of this occurred in this one day alone. I mean, talk about all over the place. And just to kind of give you guys some perspective about being all over the place, if I show you guys the last year, this looks impressive, you know, because the last year you see it's up $64,000. Of course, that's always going to be good to see that. But look at the journey. I mean, the journey's all over the place, right? I'm down here at 230. I'm up here, 298. I'm up here 315, in January 2022, of course, and I was all the way down here at 240 in March 2022. So just to kind of give you some perspective, and I didn't do anything drastic. I mean, that's literally my portfolio has pretty much been the same the last year, and that's kind of been my journey. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys my most recent dividend payment. This is Armour Residential Reit. This is an absolute hate relationship. I'm trying to, stay the course, because why am I invested in this particular REIT is to get dividend payments. So as you guys can see, my average cost per share is $11.64. Now would be a decent time to grab some more shares. I mean, it's down $2 whole, but I haven't pumped any more money into this particular company. The only time that I invest the money is when I get my dividend payment and it's reinvested. So I'm getting more shares at that lower cost, okay, which eventually is going to bring my average cost down. But currently I'm at $11.64. My total return, and here it is, I'm down 27%, which happens to be $3,042.59. Now, this is, I think, currently the only position that I'm down on out of the 12 different things that I'm invested in this particular portfolio. Of course, I have some investments on my Webull account, but I don't really even talk about that much on this channel. I'm sure I will at some point. So I'm down 27%. I mean, it absolutely hurts my feelings. It would be a lot better if I was up 27%, but overall in the stock market, I'm up. So even though I'm down here, it's all good. I'm trying to be patient. Okay. So let me share with you guys my most recent dividend payment. I'll click on show more here, and then I will click on dividends just to make it easier. So on March 28th, I got a dividend payment for $94.78. At that particular time, they're paying 10 cents per share. Okay, so that's obviously really, really good. Because I have dividend reinvestment turned on, Robinhood should grab some more shares. So if I click on orders, I should have an order here. Yes, I do. So as you can see, on March 28th, the same day that I got the payment, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed 11.23 shares, and at the time it was $8.44. Remember, my average cost is $11.64, so Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some more shares from me at $8.44, which over time is going to bring my average cost down. Now, if I was wanting to be more aggressive, this would be a good time to grab some more shares. All of the dividend payments that I have in here, I really haven't invested any more money in this account. Okay, so if I show you my orders here, I bought some shares here back in January of 2021, $1,600. I bought some more shares here, $5,700, and I bought some more shares here, $2,600. Okay, so the dividend payments that you see from March, which is $84, all of these dividend payments, I'll show you guys. All of these are going to just be dividend payments. Okay, so it says buy, but that's because Robinhood is grabbing more shares. So if I click on dividends and I show you March 31st or March 29th, you see my first dividend was back in May, $14.26, because I didn't have that much money invested. And then this payment here of $84.62 in March, that was the last time that I invested any amount of money, okay, back in March of 2021. So since March, the dividend payments is basically, it's gone up a full dollar, I think. So we have $84.62 back in March 2021, and March 2022 we have $94.78. So that's a $10 increase as far as dividend payments are concerned, and that's kind of where I am at the particular moment. Once again, this particular ETF is trading for $8 and let me find it. Oh, wow. Okay, you gotta keep going back. $8.47. When Robinhood grabbed my shares, it was for $8.44. So that's kind of cool. Just wanted to kind of share with you guys what's going on. That's a $10 increase in a year's time. And over the years, you know, you add another 10, 15, 20 years, the dividend payment should continue to grow, of course, if all goes well and nothing crazy happens. All right, so that's currently what's going on. My portfolio, again, is valued at $301,948, which is what I said when I started the video, actually. So anyway, that's pretty much it for the video. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and smash the thumbs up in this video. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.